Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is grade 7, 2.4, subtracting integers with tiles. So the other day we did the number lines, and we started like this, and then we got to that, and then we got up to that, and then probably by now some of us are like, where are we with those number lines? Are we like, something like this? Some down, all right. So if you're like that, make sure that you're talking to me, watching the video, so that we can get you back up and on track. And before we go on, why am I wearing a hockey jersey? Well, it's the Jets home opener tonight, so we're gonna do awesome. So, integers. We're gonna use integers to minus some, or we're gonna use integers. We're gonna use some tiles to minus some integers. And we're gonna look at some of these examples on the board, but a lot of this I'm going to do with the camera over there. So perhaps I can get my talented camera person to make sure this is square in the frame. And you'll pardon me, I'm gonna talk a little loud because the microphone's pretty far away from me for now. So let's take a look. To add integers, we combine groups of tiles. To subtract integers, we do the reverse. So this is an example where we have positive 5 minus 5, and we are able to start taking them out. So we've got plus 5 and minus 5 forms of zero pairs. Minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. It all equals 0. Adding a zero pair to a set of tiles does not change its value. So I think most of us remember that. So let's get a quick example. We're going to do these ones on the board. It says positive 5 minus positive 3. So I've got positive 5. Wait, you can't see that. There we go. Positive 5 minus positive 3. So minus positive 3. Simple enough? We good? Okay. Pause video, Mr. Cameraman, please. Oh, no, we're good, we're good. Let's do the next one. Positive 5 minus negative 3. Wait a second. Can I take negative 3 away from my positive 5 the way they are? Is there negative 3 to minus?
No.
Okay, how about this? Can I go like, is this still positive 5? Yeah, 0, 0, 0, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay. Now I still have positive 5, but I'm going to go minus negative 3. What's my answer? Positive 8, you got it. All right, let's go to the next one. Negative 3 minus positive 5.
Ooh.
Okay, so I've got negative 3, that's easy, negative 3. It says minus positive 5. Okay, now those of you with your show me boards, I want you to come up with the answer while I do it. I still have negative 3. 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 Do we agree?
Yes.
Okay. Now the question said positive or negative 3 minus positive 5. Negative 3 minus positive 5. My answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Negative 8. Let's see those show me boards. I want to see it. Did you get it? Did you get it? You got it. Yes. Ooh, I saw someone drew the tiles. Very well done. Very well done. Okay. Let's look at the last one. Minus 3 minus minus 5.
Ooh, this is hard.
Minus 3 minus minus 5. Okay, I'm going to get my tiles ready. You get your boards going. Minus 3 minus minus 5. Okay, you ready? I'm going to show you my tiles. See, the boards are almost ready. Does this look like negative 3?
Yes.
That's fair? Because we got 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus negative 1 plus negative 1 plus negative 1 for negative 3. But the question says negative 3 minus negative 5. So I'm going to minus negative 5. Well, if I minus negative 5, I know that's 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1. What's my answer?
Negative.
Positive 2. Wait, or
Positive 2. Who had it? Show me, show me, show me. Good job. Right on. How many of you right now, I want to see your thumbs, minusing with tiles. Minusing with tiles. All right, YouTube land. I've got a few neutrals and a bunch of thumbs up. All right, let's take a look at some more. Uh-oh. Now it says, when you subtracted, how did you know how many tiles to use to model each integer? How did adding 0 pairs help you? I'm going to answer the second one. Adding 0 pairs gave me more to take away. How many 0 pairs am I allowed to add?
As many as you want.
Yeah, infinity, as many as I need. So let's just look at a couple of examples right here. There we go. Example number 1. Now, I consistently remind my students, when you're not sure how to do a question in the textbook, look at the examples in the textbook because they are excellent. They model exactly what you need to do. So if you're stuck and you're looking at number 4 and you go, I don't remember how to do that, like I know Mr. Ewer taught the lesson, well, 1, you can go watch the lesson again. Or 2, it's a lot faster than going to YouTube. Just look at the actual examples and you will see where it's used. So it says use tiles to subtract. So let's look at number 8. It says minus 2 minus 6. Okay, well I'm going to start with 2 reds, right? Minus 2. But I don't have minus 6 to take away from them. So I'm going to add a whole bunch of 0 pairs. I'm going to add a bunch of 0 pairs. So I got 1, 2. And I added 4 more 0 pairs. It's still negative 2, right? Okay. But now I have enough tiles that I can take them away. So I'm going to take those away. Exactly, I'm left with positive 4. Minus 2 minus 6 equals positive 4. Do you remember the symbolic way to do this? If I minus a negative, what do I do? I'm gonna stop talking for a second until that one individual who has stopped paying attention to play is ready to join. I think we're all in.
What?
Don't say names on YouTube, buddy.
Yeah.
His name's Finnegan.
Finnegan.
Yeah. Okay. Minus 2, minus a negative, does that go up or down? Up. So I knew I was going from minus 2 and then up 6. If I had that number line and I had 0, I'd start at minus 2 and I'd go up 6 to get to positive 4. Minus 6 minus positive 2. I got minus 6, but I can't take away positive 2 because I don't have any 2's. So I'm going to add in 2 0 pairs. 2 0 pairs plus the negative 6. Now I've got 2 positive 2's to take away. And my answer is now negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last one. Positive 2 minus negative 6. Well, first I know that minus a negative, it's going up, right? So I know that's going to be more like 2 plus 6. Okay. Now I'm going to do the tiles because Mr. Ewer makes me do the tiles. Because he says the Manitoba curriculum says that I should be able to do it with numbers and pictures, etc. So, minus 2, or plus 2, minus negative 6. I don't have negative 6 to take away, so I'm going to add a bunch of 0 pairs. Now I have minus 6 to take away. What do I have now? Positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Positive 8. Okay, let's see. Where are we? Are we down here or are we turning up the rock? We're turning up the rock?
Close.
We're getting close. My finger's on the button. We're getting there. Okay. So, you know what? I'm going to pause there. Because I think we've covered most of it. But I'd like to do one quick review. One quick review. May I borrow a marker, please? Thank you. We're going to take this one. We're going to do this in 2 ways. Positive 7 minus positive 4. If I've got a number line, and I have positive 7, and I'm minus positive 4.
It's
I can
positive.
do it that way with the number line. But I can also do it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tiles, and it says minus positive 4. Well, now I can just take them away. That's easy enough. But let's change it now. Does the camera see me?
Nope.
Hey. I missed you guys. Here we've got this modeled in a number line and with tiles. We had 4 more, and then we just took them away. So it was positive 7 minus positive 4. But now we're going to make it a little more difficult. We're going to say minus a negative 4, like this. Now,
Positive.
the number line doesn't work as well for this, and this is why we use tiles when we minus integers. Because right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's my positive 7. And it says minus a negative 4.
Positive 11.
So let's say I'm standing there, it's like walking 4 more but backwards the other way. It's a confusing model. Minus a negative is positive. And that can be confusing with a number line. And that's why we only use number lines for addition of integers, because we don't want to get that confusion. But when we do it with the tiles, I have 7. It says minus negative 4. I don't have negative 4, but I can add 0 pairs to get there. Now I can do positive 7 minus negative 4. I can tell those guys to get the heck out of there. And now I know my answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Positive 11.
11.
All right, that's your big review. I'm hoping that some of it is fresh in your mind. So before we end up running away and having it all spill out of our ears, let's go practice and get some of our textbook work done. See you in the real world, land YouTubers.